Hello everyone, today let's learn how to see who likes you on Tinder for free. To get started, open up the Tinder application, log into your account, and then simply go on these little icons, mean it's like, as you can see who likes you. It's actually really hard to find people who like you on Tinder. There are two free ways. The first is, of course, when you spend a lot of time on Tinder, then from time to time Tinder offers you to watch one out of four people for free. This option will appear on the screen when you are in the application itself. Frankly, I don't know how it's worked 100%, but how many times or twice a week I get this opportunity and just a pop-up window appears with a message. You want to know who like you, and I just choose one of the three pictures, and after that it shows me a person. The second way, of course, is to like everyone in a row, and when you have a match, you will find out who liked you. So basically there are two ways. And of course sometimes if you tap on this like button, you'll be able to see blurred some pictures, as you can see here. And sometimes you can just simply tap on one of them and of course watch who liked you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.